Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. So if you have been using Google Notebook for a while, your workspace can quickly become cluttered with dozens or even hundreds of notebooks. Unfortunately, NotebookLM doesn't provide built-in tools to bulk delete, merge or organize your notebooks efficiently. That's where we are going to find and use one extension called ExtendLM from Chrome web extension, and in this video I will show you how to use that particular extension called ExtendLM to manage your NotebookLM library more efficiently by merging multiple notebooks, deleting notebooks in bulk, and organizing your workspace in just few clicks. We will also briefly discuss whether the extension is safe to use and the precautions you should take before granting it access to your NotebookLM data. So without further delay, let's jump into the details. So I'm right now on my NotebookLM homepage. This should look like this. And here we have some, notebook which is created. You can see from by the time it accumulated certain notebooks here. I have though deleted, many people go and delete their notebooks by selecting individually to delete their notebooks. So we will use this NotebookLM extension, and to do that let me go under this different list view, and you can see there are so many notebooks which are there, and to delete we have to use this three dots and then come to delete it. So every time when you want to delete something, you have to come here and then have to delete like this. So if you have dozens or even hundreds of notebooks, then it's going to take a lot of time. To save that effort, you have to use this extension called NotebookLM extension. You can find the NotebookLM extension by simply going under this extension tool, and under manage extensions you can go to Chrome Web Store. Under Chrome Web Store you have to search NotebookLM. You can see here, this is the ExtendLM extension. Click here and this will open the extension page. So here you will find this add to Chrome, and you can see here as well the rating is around 4.6 and 83 people have given the rating till now. This is a good extension, but it's third party application, so you should be really very careful, like before sharing your any notebook data with this extension. If you are not sure, you can avoid using such extensions, but yes, if you would like to manage your cluttered notebook and your notebooks are not that critical for you, then it's fine, you can use this out. So if you want to have a look like what it can do, how much potential it has, like it can help you do quick imports from the web pages, YouTube videos, and it can import links to NotebookLM. You can also search and import certain notebooks into your current NotebookLM platform, and you can also create delete notebooks. This is something we are going to discuss. The main purpose of making this video is to completely delete our notebook clutters from the notebook application. So here you can manage, there are so many things you can go and watch all and read all this a page, like how it's going to work and how you can install the extension as well. Here there are instructions as well. So to add this extension, I'm just going to click on add to Chrome. It's going to tell you like, hey, it's going to access the page debugger backend and read and change all your data on all websites and manage your downloads. So I am adding the extension. Once you add the extension, it will show here on your extension page. So click here. I would suggest to pin this extension here, because it will be very easy next time when you visit here to access this extension. Now I'm closing this all together. Now if you do one, after installing this extension, if you do a refresh, you should see this manage tool. So once you are here, click and here we will find all the required, So to access this feature, we will have to actually do login. So I am going to do login. After login, you should be able to access the features. If you are not able to do login, then you will have to do the sign up. After sign up, you will be able to use these features. So now I want to delete all these, notebooks from my notebook library. So what we are going to do is to go for multi-select mode and then select all. I'm just going to make sure like I am deleting all my, notebook from here, and then you will find this delete selected notebooks. You can also, use this merge notebooks feature of this ExtendLM, and you can transfer it to a new destination. Okay, so you can try using these features according to your requirement. We are going to now delete all the selected notebook. I'm deleting, and it is saying like this action cannot be undone. Now it's going to delete all the notebook in background. Let's wait for some time. In meanwhile, I am going to pause the video to get all my notebook deleted. After successful deletion, a success message will appear on your, desktop. It will say successfully deleted. And that's it. I'm just going to refresh, and you can see all my, notebook which were, accumulated by the time is now, removed, and we are fine. So that's it guys from this video, and of course you can go and check this page for more details. And if you want to, check like what else it can do, you can actually go to their extension page, like from here. This is the YouTube link also given in this page of Chrome Web Store. You can click here to watch a complete walkthrough. It's around 39.53 minute video, so you can go and check this out. Thanks for watching and being till now with me. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.